Good morning everybody. Today I will demonstrate installing the CentOS7 on VmWare. For this demo, the following software is required. We need either Windows 7 or Windows 10. Windows 10 is used for this demo. VmWare Workstation or VmWare Workstation Pro. VmWare Workstation Pro is used for this demo. You can download the CentOS from https www.centos.org. It comes 3 flavors: DVD ISO, everything ISO, minimal ISO. Okay, minimal ISO, it contains the minimal package, most suitable for the character mode. If you want to go for the graphical mode, then you will go for the DVD ISO. If you want to install everything, all the packages, then you will go for everything ISO. For this demo, we are using the DVD ISO. Okay, then DVD ISO. Let us start the VmWare Workstation. Okay, VmWare Workstation Pro like this. Double click this. VmWare Workstation will be started. Okay, here the home button. First click here, create a new virtual machine. There are 2 options, typical or custom. Let's select the custom. Click next. Then these are the give the option. Skip it. You have to select where we can select the software. We say this software is there. This software in the path. C software CentOS7 and software is installed. Okay, in this here, in this path, C software. Name of software is CentOS7 x86 64-bit DVD 1611 ISO. This is a path of the software. This is installer disk image file. This is ISO file. It will automatically detected CentOS 64-bit detected. Click next. First, you have to find the location where you have to install the software. Let us select the path. Okay, let us find the name, virtual machine name. This is virtual machine name, CentOS7 DVD. It comes like here. This name is giving you meaningful name. What for? I am using the CentOS for the database purpose. That's why giving DB. DB stands for database. Click next. Once next, it will ask you number of a processor and number of a server. On my laptop, if you use the command WMIC CPU get number of a CPU or number of processor / format list, it gives you number of a core. I have a 4-core server, number of a processor, each core having 8 virtual processor or ethical logical processor. Let us give 2 processor and let us give 3 number of core equal to 3. Okay, click next. Here in this wizard we have to assign the memory. We can assign 1 GB, 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB. Let us assign 4 GB memory for this VmWare. Here giving you the network type. We can give you Breeze network. Breeze network it gives the guest operating system direct access on an external Ethernet network. You can use the Breeze networking, whatever IP address or whatever networking having the guest OS, you take it, or you can use the NAT. NAT here you to dial up or Ethernet networking or host networking. There are 3 options. We are using the Breeze networking. Click next. Select IO controller. You are using LSI logic. Select disk type. SCSI disk type is recommended. Click next. Create a virtual disk. What is virtual disk? A virtual disk is composed of one number of file of the host file system, which will appear as a single hard disk to the guest operating system. Virtual disk can easily be copied or moved from same host or between the hosts. Okay. Create a new virtual disk. Click next. What is the size? I am giving 20 GB. If you want, we can increase the size also. And we can split the virtual disk in multiple files. Okay. It will increase the performance. Then, where you have to specify the disk file. Select click the browse button. VmWare CentOS7 disk file and CentOS7 VMDK. We have given the file location VmWare CentOS7 disk file CentOS7 VMDK. What VmWare DK? D stands for disk. DK stands for disk file. Okay. Click next. Click on the customized hardware. In customized hardware, we don't want the printer. Remove it. We have a memory 4 GB. We have a processor. We have a CD and DVD. CD DVD also not required. Okay. Network adapter, bridge, USB controller, sound card and display. Click close button. Click finish. Okay. Now we have to now the wizard comes. It is CentOS Linux 7. Install the CentOS Linux 7. Then it will reboot. Automatically boot after 36 seconds. Now press the enter key to begin the installation process. We have to press the enter key. Now just starting the installer. This wizard, we have selected language. Language is selected English, United States. Okay. Click continue. This is the most important point of view. This is the installation summary. Okay. First one is the date and time. Select the date and time wizard. Okay. In date and time, we have to it gives you regions. Okay. Select the whatever region you have. I am selecting the Asia. Select the city. Here select the region Asia, city equal to Kolkata. Okay. And you have to select the time. Okay. Now whether you want to 24-hour format or AM PM format. Select the AM PM format. Now the time is PM and 10:43 and date is 4 March. Date is 4 March. Time is 10:43 p.m. Okay. AM PM format. Region is Asia. City is Kolkata. Click OK. Done. Then keyboard. We are English. We are using English yes. Type of keyboard. Click OK. Done. Next, language support. We are using English, United States language. Next option is installation source. We are using the auto detected installation media. Okay. Well, if you want, you can verify also. Okay. Okay. We have verified. Okay. This gives you the media to go to install. Click the done. Okay, click done. Date and time over. Keyboard, language support. Let's the installation source. Okay, already. After installation, software selection. This is the most important thing. Whether you want to minimal software for the character mode or compute node, infrastructure server, file or print server, basic web server, virtualization host, server with GUI, Genome desktop or KDE Plasma workspace, or development and the creative workstation. Select Genome desktop because we want this should support the graphics. Okay, and we want the IDE. Select Genome desktop. This is most important point. After this, then installation source. Okay, we have done. We have also verified. And what installation destinations. And installation destination. Okay, device selection we are using 20 GB. Okay, add a disk. Partitioning. Okay, we can use the default partitioning. Click OK. Done. Kdump is a kernel crash dumping mechanism. In the event of a system crash, Kdump will capture the information from a system that can be invaluable in determining the cause of a crash. Okay, enable Kdump. Okay, click the done. Okay, everything has been done. So this wizard it contains date and time. We have taken date is Asia, time is Kolkata, keyboard English US, language support we have selected English United States, and the installation source we are using the DVD ISO. Software selection we are using the Genome desktop because we want the GUI. Installation destination, what is the path where we have to install it. We have given it 20 GB. Kdump, in case of anything goes wrong, Kdump will be generated where we can find root cause, what is the happening. Okay, now let us start the installations. Okay, click begin the installations. Click the begin the installation. There are two things. We have to create a root password and the user creation. Let's create the root password. Okay, click done. User creation. Let us create a user. Let us a username is and username will be password will be. If you want, you can make this user as the administrative user. Confirm password is okay. Click done. So we have created the user. Now we have software CentOS is installed. We have to reboot the operating system. Click the reboot button. Okay. Now it is rebooting. Now it gives you license not accepted, network and a host name. Click license information. Okay. Click the checkbox. I accept the license agreement. Click OK. After license agreement, check the network and host name. Initially the network is off. Click on. So then you have to it gives you general, okay, automatically connect to network when it is available, or Ethernet 802, make a default, okay. It gives you the hardware address, speed, IP address, subnet mask, default root. Host name, whatever the host name we have to give. Let us give the host name as CentOS7 DB. Okay, the host name will be replace localhost CentOS7 DB .local.domain. Okay, we click done. Okay, we have finished the installation. Click finish. Now you have to click here, give the password, click the sign in. And it asks for default. Well, in welcome we have you language equal English, okay. And what are typing English equal West, default is there. Click next. Online account, you skip it for timing. And start using the CentOS Linux, click it. It gives you few videos, okay. If you are new one, you can go through the video. This complete the CentOS installations.